Now, Moody's Investor Service says the Philippines is at risk of long-term economic scarring, with GDP growth expected to slow to around 6% after 2022. Now, Moody's Senior Vice President Christian de Guzman says pandemic risks weighed on the country's economic recovery compared with more export-oriented peers in the region. Last week, Moody's lowered its growth forecast for the country to 5.8% this year. It also expects GDP to grow by 6.5% in 2022. But beyond that, they are expecting an average annual growth of 6% from the average of around 6.6% in the 5-year period preceding the coronavirus outbreak. Moody says this so-called economic scarring may be seen in the country's labor market and the poverty levels, which had improved prior to the pandemic. Moody's also says weaker economic growth would also make fiscal consolidation more difficult, leaving governments with higher debt burdens and less room to respond to future shocks.